Hello everyone, this is M2E Team and we are happy to announce our new version release. Our latest version allows remapping your unmanaged items with the minimum actions required. When necessary, link the item to another Magento product after it was moved to M2E Pro listing. This option is available only for products moved from unmanaged listings. For the ease of your navigation, we added the opportunity to move to the product details right from the listing logs grid. Simply click on product name to see the listing filtered by this precise item. Since Amazon collects taxes for some UK orders, we've provided our users with the opportunity to decide whether to keep the tax value displayed in their Magenta orders. After the upgrade, you can take advantage of Amazon's buy shipping services within M2E Pro extension. Use our tool for unshipped orders received from US, UK and Germany marketplaces to configure trusted and fast delivery options via M2E Pro. Thank you for watching. M2E Team works to make your multi-channel sales experience better